You don't have nothing. Cause girl just want to show you how the doll blood clot sleep. See that on.
Pop it on and buy back a man.
Are you them this, you know? See it?
What I said to do? Come here. Come and take more pictures.
Hey, what's up, Readers? Welcome to another social media countdown. Oh my God, I know I have forsaken you, but I'm back. I'm back, boy. I've been busy at work and at work. Hold on, let me just come to Alexa. Pause. May I talk to the people them now? Let me just go. Oh, I must think so because of September morning, you're gonna come act up and come go on like this in front of me and the Berrydos them. Understand yourself, Alexa. Okay? All right. Well, Berrydos, yeah, man, the countdown was on a break because, boy, I've been busy. Remember, I'm the only company countdown. I have other work outside of this. And so, yeah, man, I have to pause it for a bit. So hopefully, you've been good, you've been behaving yourself, everything is okay. So now it's time for me to give you on the pop culture news. Let's get ready for this Monday's social media countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Popcaan Cookings. Miss Chef, our Berrydos now, so dancehall international artist Popcaan make we know say, yo, him is a very article youth and he's not all about the fancy stush life. The man took to the streets, took to the river to go and bring impact. Yeah, man, what you call that? Running a boat for him and his friends. And so you see they are seasoning up the chicken and all of that, and then the man gonna go roast breadfruit and then put everything in the one pot, and this is just true, what you call it, Jamaican levity. And all the time you must, you know, in the fanciness and then AC and all of this is very funny. Me I talk all of this thing and I would not do that. Because I wanna feel the heat lately. Have y'all been experiencing the Jamaican heat? And from what I'm gathering according to the news, and not just Jamaica alone, all over the world. So honestly, yeah man, me will eat my food in the AC and the comfort of my yard because out the road, boy, that and the crime and violence, I know the people that are going on the road. But anyway, Popcaan, it's nice to see that you're just enjoying yourself even with your massive stardom. Number 9, Cartel's return. Okay, and we just said this when I talk about his return, you know, back to the streets, back to Jamaica, because, you know, Cartel, he has been on a world tour, it seems, before his actual concert, which is the 31st of December at the National Stadium. And so we've seen the video with him and see them and learn how to handle his fame and the groupies and all of that. And so, you know, Cartel came back to Jamaica after traveling, and he went through the, what do you call it one? What the airport up on Mobile name again? Jesus Christ. What name? Songstars. Why Ian Fleming in my head? One place names, all right? Yeah, man, come and know. It's sometimes we know some things, no, but it's like me just discombobulated. Yeah, man, that's what I go on in my brain. But yeah, man, so the Songstars airport in Montego Bay, and of course it was pandemonium. The people them rush out with them camera, record him, and guess who was loving every moment of it? Vybz Cartel.
Max, picture, Max. Max, picture, Max. Picture. Yeah, picture.
I love you so much.
Come
Vybz Cartel, back in Jamaica.
Dutty government, free the people, get to youth left school long camp.
Because once Vybz Cartel the camera, he's going to put on a show. He really just love it. And that is why Cartel just walk by himself. He loves the idea where, I would be surprised if Cartel just walk going to half a tree, you know, jump on one coaster bus and go downtown like nothing. Because I think he likes getting that reaction from the people. And so, boy, oh boy, Burritos, how would you have reacted if you did a, you know, walk past the airport and you saw Vybz Cartel in person himself? Sound of below. Number 8, Miss Jamaica World results. Me gongo. Alright, readers know. So, of course, you know, I've been covering a lot of pageants lately. And, you know, I covered the Mr. World Jamaica finals. That was, you know, over a week ago. And on Friday, I attended the Miss Jamaica World finals. And there I got to see the ladies on full display. And the results are in. We have a new queen, and her name is Tajay Bennett. This is the winning moment.
If you don't really have a talent, you do dub poetry. I saw it. Hi, so now I'm here with Chanel Kellyman, the second runner-up in this year's Miss Jamaica World pageant. Now tell me, I'm sure the outcome where they want, you know, come, you seem like a girl where when you do something, your goal is to win, right?
Right.
Yeah, but still, you make top 3, and that has to be commended. So talk to me, like, what was the journey like, you know, in this pageant?
Well, this was my first pageant experience, so I would say that I'm very proud of myself for getting second runner-up. You know, I met a lot of genuine girls, I met a lot of good connections.
Yeah.
I just learned a lot about myself and proved a lot to myself, so I'm just overall proud.
Okay, so was there a part of the competition that you said, boy, I don't know if I'm going to get through this phase, you know, like, was there any particular area?
Funny enough, yes, that week when we had that talent competition.
Oh, okay.
But, you know, I persevered and I came out on top, so, yeah.
Yeah, man, congratulations, Tajay. And what I liked is that all of the contestants, they embraced her immediately after she was announced. And so it just definitely showed that people liked her. She was well liked. And from the contestants, they didn't know that she is a true queen. And I did interviews with the top 3 ladies, and so I wanted to go and check it out. I will be posting it. By now, it probably is posted on the Dutty Berry Show page already, but I want to watch it and comment and really get to know these young ladies who have been making such tremendous stride into representing themselves and brand Jamaica. And you know, also who was the second place runner, the second place winner? Her name is, let me see if I remember the girl's name. Jamila McGowan. Yeah, man, first runner up. And I also spoke to the second runner-up, Chanel Kelly. And all of these ladies, definitely incredible. And so once again, please to go and, you know, check out the interviews. And I think I'm also going to do a video talking about pageantry in Jamaica, because I feel like I just need to clear things up, even though I don't really want expert yet in the area. I'm new to it, and I'm looking at it as a whole business and a sport as well. So I think I want to share my thoughts with you guys as well. So burritos, let me know what you thought of the show and the winner. Sound off below. Number 7, the Bean and the Popo. Mitchimi. All right, now, so let me tell you this, burritos, now, like, it's not a shocker. It's nothing new that Jamaicans fear the police. Them either hate them or fear them. And the fear is definitely evident with this man after he was stopped by police officers and had a moment where he was overcome with the spirit of urination. Take a look.
Tease you?
Tease you?
A woman who tease Biggs. What a tease, man?
I'm not trouble people, you know.
What kind of work you do?
Construction work.
Let me see ID. What you piece of yourself for?
Brother, no,
no, we have to do I work.
No, I work. What you wanted, man, of the area? Let me see ID.
My driver's license.
What you piece of yourself for?
You're nervous, Biggs? Where are you back?
I'm nervous.
What your back? What your back? Check out your back. What your back?
Biggs, about the police?
No, I'm not bad enough.
Yeah. What your back?
What your back, one?
You know what you say?
One Coca-Cola in it.
One Coca-Cola?
I go away from my grandfather and the money can't.
Biggs, you get a chance with the bike. Park your bike. We're in that place. We'll do some work in that place.
Yeah.
Then boy, I'll tell you when they go up, so.
We are looking smart.
The place, over police in that place.
Yeah, I don't have to do no work, you know.
Yeah,
you see me?
I so we want to bring up here.
Yeah, I don't have to do anything, general.
But you know no wrongdoing?
Wrongdoing, no, sir.
Alright, so cool.
My boss and me work with my lawman.
Alright.
Now, and that is terrifying. Absolutely, like, terrifying. And something about how the officers were interrogating him never sit well in my spirit. You know, so a lot of the officers can be bullies. And sometimes I guess I get it. Because for these people, they are regular everyday men, you know, who jump into the force and they are now in a position of power and dominance. And yes, when they put on that uniform, it does give them an additional ego boost because they know the power that comes with it. And so sometimes you hear the little arrogance come out in how they communicate, knowing fully well what they can oftentimes put people through. And so I'm gonna really like that, but let me just say it's not all of the officers them. There are some officers that sometimes them have more customer service than digital flow and Sutherland combined together. And so one of the things say I saw the whole of them stay. There are some very pleasant officers who are empathetic and can offer, you know, support when they realize that someone is actually in fear, right? And so this wasn't the case here, but hopefully this brother him can save him P for other situations. And boy, yeah man, the officer them judger. What are your thoughts? Number 6, Cologne shoot out. Me, ouch, jeez. All right, burritos know. So let me just say this now. It is very great that we are now seeing videos with Ding Dong and Elephant Man because they are both the dancing song legends, right? Of the 2000s. And so we knew that they were at odds for some time now, but recently they, I guess, you know, saw each other and decided to just patch things up and to make amends. Take a look.
Bravo! This viral! Viral! Stop it, man. Watch out. Right. Watch out. Stop it, man. Watch out. Watch out. Yo. Watch out now. Jesus Christ, man. I want to find my first post tomorrow.
Yeah, man, and right after that, now the two energy god Elephant Man decided to kickstart things into what we are going to be dubbing as a Cologne War, Cologne shootout. Now, this, take a look.
World War energy there. Yes, so hold on. Start the shootout back.
Yeah, man, this is very rich. This is some rich people things like, I much prefer this than the, what the other one name again, the NSC buckle when I birthday party and them show the NSC buckle. No, man, I prefer this. This is the type of carry-on you must do because at the end of the day, everybody smell good and you get a little piece of all of the little rich cologne them because you know these colognes are not cheap. But I don't think I really could have played this with my friend them because, yeah man, the cologne them not go really appear body I get, peer bad and axe. And them type of cologne them. Me, you mad? I done my expensive cologne, you mad? You know, appear bad and axe. That is all you know go get. That is it. Number 5, back to school, kids, make uniform. All right, now, so let me just say September morning, so the parents, you know, I'm sure them glad for have sent back the picking them to school so them can have like a free time and less stress. Pass on that stress to the teachers them because they are the unregistered babysitters. That is exactly what they are, but we just go and call it schooling. But I babysit them, I babysit. Anyway, so take a look at these 2 kids who were not really here for all of the back to school moments. So first up is the young lady. Watch.
You not ready yet?
No.
You not ready for bring me home yet?
No, school not over yet.
You see a chat? I didn't
School not over yet, ma.
No, go on the swing.
I said school is not over. I said. Me not done doing my business. What do you? You want to go over here? Everybody.
You know, I'm not wrong her. I'm really not wrong her, you know, because it must be very frustrating. You try to mind your business and every minute appear just try to have a moment for social media. And now just take a look at this young man who did not want to take one additional picture.
Wait for it.
Come, I want to take more pictures.
You do it already.
What I said to do?
You do it already.
Come here. Come and take more pictures.
You do it already.
Ace.
You do it already.
Okay, give me one more. Turn around. Give me one more turn around.
Oh, lagada.
Turn around.
Lagada.
Come here. Turn around. Come here. The boy, man. Come here.
Come take a picture, Daddy.
As I make we take a picture.
Come, take a picture, Daddy.
Why them kids here? Why are these, what you call them, Gen Alpha? Why them not like take pictures, them not like social media? Me don't know where I'm going. Me don't know them supposed to be more social and all about it, but maybe give them a couple years and that is when they will be all for the capturing. But parents, just enjoy the moments. Take the pictures them same way. Yeah, no matter overdo it though, because you have to listen to them. But, you know, capture the moments. The kids will definitely appreciate it later on. So, Marinos, was it like this for your back to school with your kids as well? Sound off in the comments. Number 4, window wars. Coaster bus. All right, now, so let me just say, a long time I take coaster bus, you know, so like, I do not know if I them something here happen on a regular basis, but yeah, this woman was in a bus, you know, in the bus, you know, close to the back of the bus, and she have one of the window seat them, so she there, you know, she must have want to close the window, all of these things, when the man who be behind her decided to take film and keep the windows open, and so she took up her phone now and start to vent and cuss. Watch.
Another edition of Jamaica is not a real place.
No boss inna, sir. Miss, no boss inna. No blood clot boss inna. Come at the move for drive car. You should have pick up blood clot seat and go hold it to them because as you move your hand, you're lucky. As you move your blood clot and you're lucky. The woman's strength, you move your blood clot. You there window seat. You there window seat. You want the ugly little bat looking son around there, sir? Around this singing in my ears all long, I'm a clot, my blood clot ears. I that touch you. Fucking idiot. Grieve me for a dirty blood clot. Drive car. If you don't want to make rules, on a drive car. If you don't want to make rules, on a drive car. Yes, look into my eyes. If you don't want to make rules, on a drive car. Yes, TikTok. This is how it goes. I'm shot too much and grieve for people like that. Me please myself, what you gonna do? And that what you gonna do?
What would you do?
People nowadays. Oh, okay. Okay. TikTok, if you can't find that money, only just tag him for me, please, and thanks. And that's something over here, so.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, all right. Me want to know now, like, because I feel like the two of them have a point. Right? The two of them have a point and me can understand. So when they're at the back of the bus, you don't really have no window there, no, so they'll eat and burn you up. And sometimes the AC is not reaching around there. So you depend on the person who is in the row in front of you to actually give you a little breeze so you can, proper ventilation can take place. But this lady was just like, no, she don't want it. Maybe she don't want to blow out her ear for whatever reason. And so there became some contention. But I want to know who in the right. Was it the woman or the man? And so I'm going to pose it to you, Burritos, to sound off in the comments and to let me know how would you have dealt with it.
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
Kristen, where's the Willy Bunk?
Number 3, Buju meets new gen. I come for to say the warlord, Jesus feel that is Buju, that is Bounty Killer. What is Buju? The Gaga male, that is it, yeah man. Oh, that woman says she want a walk, something about garbage truck, yeah man. That's like, want a walk on the gear. No, I remember it go. Anyway, Buju, yeah man, the Gaga male himself, yeah man. Driver! Yeah man, and so Buju Banton recently linked up with Pablo YG and Javilani, and this is what he had to share.
That's not too long, but the vibes, love to see the eye there. Pick up your damn self in a row. Turn round up. See the youth them here. Yeah, man. And the youth them this, you know. See it? Yeah, and them youth, yeah. I come do it and stand from the business like Buju and Muta. Do it right. Man, leave.
Yeah, man, that is it. Because, a lot of times, the older artists, them don't like what the new artists, them are bring, and them don't really remember, say, they also had to go through their own changes, development, actualization, and, to really find them footing in the dancehall space. And so, I'm glad to say, Buju gave them this word of encouragement, because we don't know, them probably look up to Buju Banton from them younger, and we don't know what this bit of motivation or validation is going to do for their outlook in their field. So Buju, big up for this moment, and it's nice that, Javilani as well as Pablo YG did, show them support and appreciation for, for the legend. Number 2, Pretty PDA, me young and the restless. All right, Burritos know, so let me just tell you this, like nobody likes to be the odd one out. 3 is a company. People don't like to be the odd one out with it. People don't want to hang around couples when them do them lovey-dovey and you just there by yourself, just, a sing nanko. Lucky you. You got a woman to go home to. Or you sing the Celine Dion. All by myself. You don't want that situation. But that was the case for Pretty. She hung around TC and her boo fang in the car. Take a look.
You see, my uncle is sorry. Yeah. What's in blood? No, so I put me, but no, for deserve this. No, man, I do not for deserve none of them blood cards, yeah.
No, TC, no, TC. They're not going with herself, man. Like, when you're in love, no, they're not going to marry. They're not going to marry that have pitney. You can't tell me. You say when you go to the point where you and your both thing now a kiss and not the regular kissing pan lips, yeah, shove whole a tongue in a mouth and suck it off and put it up. Yeah, man. I love that, man. I love. The little tongue suck off something there. No, man. And a regular something. That's when you know say, yo, we comfortable with all our body fluids. I do joining up and I can't join. I itch up like when dog meat. That's when you know, say, yeah, man, the love real. The love real. I say, your saliva is my saliva. Like when Whitney Houston it sing, your love is my love, your spit is my spit. Your germs is my germs. I'd rather have bad times with you than good times with someone else. That's the type of love where TC did a display with her boo in at the front seat and make you understand because we're pretty for the round there whenever I go on and keep up with them excitement there. She can't draft a fair boo same time. She have to go just sit and watch it. And wait until when she go round now, the little, you know, the little frustration she and her boo can take it out around there, so. Okay? But, you know, it's just nice to see love, and every day as a Jamaican people just love and embrace. We're tired of the TikTok baga and cussing and them look something here. So when we see them little moments here where it just reminds me, say, boy, Jamaicans love too, you know. We kiss too and them look something there. We soft too. It, you know, humanizes the entire culture and make you remember that, listen, we're not all the time aggressive. So TC, thank you for keeping Jamaican kissing alive. Yay! But readers, let me know, when last you kiss, sound off below. Don't even ask me. No, oh no. And number one goes to House Flanting. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to House Flanting. And this video is very Jamaican. It take the cake, it take the icing, it take everything. All the crumbs that you chop in the bag where you have the box, so you have to take and you know that. You know them crazy people settings there. When you just take little crumbs and you pour it out and you just name it same way too, because you know you're not cake, you make the birthday cake waste. That is what this video is giving. So this video comes from you know, online user by the name of Son Heindal. But they think of the sunshine, but I look like that over the snacks time. Keep that for sunshine snack. She named Son Heindal. You wonder if it's a mistake, make sure. But anyway, we're gonna work with it. Only can correct me, right? I look like say she our woman in a one entire fracas. Them not upon good terms now. So look like me don't know who this woman name, but her name is Dan, right? And it look like say she must go through a word. Panshi now, Son Heindal, and Son Heindal say, yo, me not take this now. You gonna come talk about my house? Me, I gonna show you my house and what good girl house look like and see if you can match up to this. Do this and beat me, Dan. Do this. And yeah, man, watch.
Alright, Dan. Let me show you something. You have to go do this and beat me. Come right here, son. View your son. This is my king. Because you have to have a king in your palace. I'm not see you with no king around here. This is my swing chair. When I swing when I'm ready, Dan. This is my sofa. Show me a sofa, Dan. Come. Show me a good piece. Come. Video that. Show me them, Dan, and then you can beat me. Come show me them. Come straight down the line. Come straight down the line. Come here. Dan, we're dining table there for you eat round. Dan, you want an apple, you want a pear, you want a banana, you want pineapple. Come, let me show you again. Come, let me show you something, Dan. Let me teach you something. That's it. Just video it around. Come. Let me give you a little sneak preview on my bathroom. Dan, see, there is a half bathroom, that. Alright, come back here, sir, again. Come. Come. Right there, sir, again. Come, the man. See there, right there, sir. Come right there, sir. See there. Dan, I'm a laundry. I wash my husband clothes up on the sofa and pushing up this, sir. Yeah, show me that. You know husband wash for. See it again, Dan. Expensive fridge. A spice thing we are dealing with right there, sir. Do this and beat me, because your juice, they put your fridge top, your sunny juice, they put your fridge top. Do this and beat me now. Come back, turn, sir. Come again right here, sir, Dan. What you want to drink? Me have any. Me have everything here, sir. See it here? Come down. See your glass them down here. So anything you want to drink. Because when we say you go have brunch, you're not ready yet. Because the door, a local restaurant that where they up the road. Come. Walk with the video. Come down, you have to do this and beat me. Because everyone deserves a king in them palace. Come. Upstairs. Tata me barrel. Let me send one already and I see the next one. Come on, Dan. Do this and beat me, Dan. Come do this and beat me. This. I'm a daughter room. I'm not invade her privacy. So my machine when I work out on Dan. Sit up to my daughter room, Dan. Do this and beat me, Dan. Dan, do this and beat me. And what do you? Show them a fully bedroom set in this, Dan. Fully bedroom set. I'm a daughter room this. Spin the camera. And that's so. I do my platform and do my show at night time, Dan. Do this and beat me, girl. Come on, Dan. Come talk to me, Dan. Do this and beat me. Dan. So my bathroom, Dan. Show me your one. Take a tour again to my bedroom. Let me show girl all the damn blood clot sleep. See how the damn sleep here. Double king, Dan. Dan, double king. Show them. Video it make Dan see all girl to live. All Dally to sleep. Big king size bed, Dan. How are you? Right there, sir. Cute and girly, cheese we say. Cheese we say, watch out. Cologne, Dan. Can't smell green no time. This a fi is. And this have to are and this have to is done. Come talk to me, Dan. When you can't show me, you can't talk to me. Come here, sir, again, my husband. Show them. Dan, close on the problem. Look at ground, Louis V, Mark Jacob, night, point upon night. Adidas, Guess, Tory Bear, Dan, Gucci no blood clot me Gucci out, Dan. Come talk to me, cute and girly, Dan. You can't chat to me, Michael Kors, Donna Karen, Calvin Klein, Michael Kors, up there, so. Dan, talk to me. Watch bag, Michael Kors bag. Take it, Dan. And me, you want to come for Dan? Hey. Let me show some girl how the doll sleep. How do you, Dan? You know about badness, you have nothing for bad mind, Dan. Come talk to me. You have anything for me, bad mind, Dan? You don't have nothing. Because girl just want to show you how the doll blood clot sleep. See that, Dan?
Pop
big,
it on and buy
big
back
side
a
bed. I will broke down this and back back. I will talk about see how girl sleep there. Dan, this are your homework. Long time, big woman. Next week, choose them time here. Come back with your homework to me. Because you have to do this. And beat the doll. Because this is how the doll sleep. The doll a queen and palace. Yeah. And this is my king. Let me tell you something. Come in the video.
No, man. No. That was a feature presentation. That could have keep a carib. The girl go through her house, you know, and show her furniture. I'm not gonna lie, like, I don't know if I saw her house normally clean or she just do it for the video, but no, man, that was spotless. The house did clean, like, me did I look, me not see no cobweb, me not see no little dirty stuff in the corner, like, the girl there look like, me don't know if she clean it, but everything spotless. Spotless. And when it comes down to a certain get a fabulous type of aesthetic, like, then, you see if silver there and the look white, and the shiny object them, you not have no house at all. Your house have the sparkly, shiny, and so you know when house is good and proper as a good girl. That's a good girl family for house, okay? It have to have the little color them and the little shiny furniture. And what got me laughing is realizing, say, is our man, the king, which you mentioned at the video, was recording. So he is fully up with the antics, because he know the type of woman we're there with. And he probably love it. Him love when she carry on like this, and him sit down there and smile. And so when she lay on the bed now, I hear him jump up, she can jump on the bed and then jump up and broke it because I'm back a morning. I mean, I say, Lord have mercy. What a supportive husband. What a supportive husband. So yeah, man, mash up this and buy it back tomorrow because we have the moolah like that. And so right now, me actually I wait up, you know, because me want to hear if Dan will reply. Because now I'm invested. So now that'll make me invested now. So I want to see what Dan house look like. Dan, you have to come back with a video. And we need a video before the week done. We need to see where your house look like so we can vote and bring it on the countdown now and get the consensus. Okay, so Berritos, let me know what you thought of this throwaway video, and are you like me waiting on Dawn's response? Because Dawn, the question is, can you do that and beat her? We don't know. You have to prove it. Well, that's it, Berritos. We've come to the end of another Top 10 social media countdown. It's the Monday edition. So make sure to say you like it, share your comment, subscribe, all of that. Leave your comments as usual. Remember, tell a friend to subscribe to the Dutty Berry Show, because not because I reach 300,000 means I'm gonna have aspirations to reach 400 as well. So do and get me there. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms at Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over at TheDuttyBerryShow. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time. Ta-ta!
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.